Hello there, fellow artists. So today this is transfer paper. It's Saral, Saral. It's a wax-free transfer paper. And this color, they have blue, they have white, they have yellow, they have red, and they have graphite. This is their red. And it's kind of a pinky red, like a fuchsia maybe, kind of a red, which was actually perfect for this hibiscus that I drew for the beginner colored pencil course that I am launching soon, or maybe I have launched already if you are watching this. Now, this is a stylus, and I have my drawing paper first, okay? It's I think it's a hot press drawing, watercolor, hot press drawing paper. Then I did the transfer paper over that. You can see I just taped it, but I didn't tape, I only taped one side of the transfer paper so I can lift it just like I am now, and I can see where I'm at and what I've done. And then I taped the that's the stylus, so there's one smaller, what I'm trying to show you, and then there's one larger end. So that's the larger end. So I started with the smaller. You couldn't see it very well. Now I'm going in with the larger one, the larger size, and I'm pressing a little harder, and you'll be able to see it really well next time I check it here. So I printed the flower just on regular printer paper. I printed it a 5x7 size, and I just cut it out. And my paper, my canvas, is a 5x7 size as well. So I taped the canvas, then I taped the transfer paper, then I taped my photograph, all to my board, my drawing board. But again, it's all taped on the left side as you saw in the beginning, so I can lift the right side up and look and see how I'm doing with the drawing. So you can see, there we go, we have red, and it now nothing moves, so I can continue drawing, or I'm sorry, tracing. So I pressed a little harder, and you can see it really helped. And what I really like about this paper is that it erases very easily. I think it's a form of graphite maybe with color. I'm not quite sure, but it doesn't have any wax or anything in it that would cause it not to erase, because some other transfer papers are very difficult to erase. And if you don't want that, if you want something that blends into your subject, then maybe this would be good for you. So I got their sampler. So it's one white, one graphite, one yellow, one blue, one red. And like I said, I really, really liked this paper because it erased easily and it blended in easily. I mean, kind of ironic that the color was perfect of the hibiscus, but hey, if you have something like, say you're drawing on black paper, you want to do white transfer paper for your black, that's definitely the way to go. And on black paper, you could do yellow, you could do, you could even do red, like this color. Here is a close-up of what it looks like. It's you can see I'm getting some fine lines in there as well. I'm just using those lines for the shadows, kind of guiding myself. And so you can see, because I taped it down, I'm able to go right back to where I was as far as the positioning. Like, my flower didn't move. I don't have to worry about that because I had the tape. I have them both taped together. So now I just go in and kind of get my shadows. I'm filling in the dark areas so I know where my white area is. So I'm kind of doing a little negative painting here, negative drawing for this tracing. Now here is the finished trace on my paper. You can see it's a 5x7 there, and I have it taped down to my drawing board. And then here is the finished hibiscus flower. And this is part of my beginner's colored pencil tutorial. If you'd like to learn how to draw this and also use the slice tool to get those white highlights, I show you how to do that in my beginner's colored pencil course, the blueprint course for beginner color pencil artists. So please go to my website, mollysfineart.com, to find out some more info, or click the link where you found this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you on your color pencil journey.